Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to customize your After Effects workspace and make it fully comfortable to your own taste. Let's get started. The workspace you're seeing right now is the default layout, the one you get when you first open After Effects. I use this layout for tutorials because it's easy for you to follow along and everything looks familiar, especially if you're a beginner. However, when it comes to my personal editing workflow, I switch to my custom workspace that I've saved separately. This workspace is the most comfortable for me because it gives me a large timeline, a large preview screen for better control, and two panels, the tracker and the AM Film UI panel. I don't keep any other panels open since I don't use them often. I try to keep my workspace as clean as possible for a faster workflow. If I ever need an extra panel, like content-aware fill, I simply go to Window and enable it whenever I need it. So now let me show you how to create the same workspace, since many of you have been asking for this tutorial. First I'll switch to the default workspace, and then I'll start closing all the panels in it. I'll leave only the timeline and the preview window. Now let's rearrange everything and set up the workspace to our comfort. Let's start with the timeline. Right-click on it and select Undock Panel. The timeline is now undocked and ready to be moved anywhere you want. Let's say I want the timeline on the right side. Just drag it all the way to the right and dock it there. Now I have a large timeline, and as you can see the preview window has also become bigger. Now we can stretch the timeline to make it longer, since I don't really need the preview window to be too large. Something like this looks perfect. I have a large timeline and a nicely sized preview screen. Next let's add a few essential panels. Go to the window menu and choose the panels you want to include in your workspace. I recommend adding only the ones you use most often. Keeping it simple helps maintain a clean and efficient workspace. Let's pick for example, the AM Film UI panel, since that one is essential for me. It's currently docked somewhere on the right side of the workspace, and I don't like its position, so I'll undock it and move it to a spot where it feels more comfortable. Here looks just right to me. Let's continue adding more panels. The tracker panel is also essential, so I'll add it and dock it together with the AM Film UI panel. Nice, now I have the two panels I use the most. I'll add one more, the content-aware fill panel, and dock it there as well. Now I have everything organized just the way I like it, and the workspace feels really comfortable. I have the effects panel here, where I can control all my effects, and the project panel with all my videos and assets. I'll just adjust the timeline size a bit to make it fit perfectly in my layout. Once everything looks good, we can save this workspace so that every time we launch After Effects, it loads with all our custom changes. To save it, go to the window menu, then Workspace, and choose Save as New Workspace. Let's name it, for example, I'll call it Tutorial, and click OK. Now you'll see your custom workspace appear in the list with the name you assigned. If you switch between workspaces, you'll have multiple layouts ready, each customized to your liking. This type of workspace is the most comfortable for me because it gives me a large preview window and a wide timeline, making everything easy to see and control. In your case, you can customize your workspace however you like until you find your sweet spot and make your workflow faster and easier. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.